This is KNNWorks News, and today we're going to talk about iPhone 11 being manufactured in India. For the first time, Apple is making its latest smartphone units in India. Foxconn, which handles the assembling of iPhone units, has started the work on iPhone 11 units in its Chennai plant as per the reports by TechCrunch. The current batch of iPhone 11 units is limited, but Apple wants to scale up its local production in India. Earlier, Apple has been assembling its older models iPhone SE, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, and iPhone XR. By this move, Apple is looking to cut its reliance on China, which produces the majority of iPhone smartphones today, and also assembling smartphones in India, which enables Apple to avoid the 20% import duty that the Indian government levies on imported electronic products. Apple has been looking for ways to ramp up production in India for years, but has struggled to find manufacturers. Apart from that, Apple has also announced that it would be opening its first retail store in India. iPhone 11 might just be a start, as Apple will certainly be looking to assemble its top-of-the-line upcoming smartphones in India. For more news, visit knworks.com.